Hello, welcome to Chrono Fighter Hong Kong. This is a watch review channel. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification alarm to get updated watch reviews.
Hello, this is Ben, and today I'm going to review with you a Paul Degas watch. Okay, Paul Degas. So you can see the brand right on the center of the dial, and yeah, and this is a day, okay, day watch. Here is the day, and here is the date. Okay, on the dial, and it is a quartz watch. It's a quartz watch. You can see the ticking action of the second hand is a quartz watch. Okay, and this watch actually is a very classic homage to the Rolex. Okay, Rolex Day. Okay, and this one is a homage to the 40mm Day. Okay, sorry, measure again. A little bit slipped off. Okay, it's actually around 39mm. Okay, and the thickness is very thin. Oh, less than 11mm. So it's a very comfortable piece to sit on the wrist. Okay, it comes with a butterfly clasp. Okay, a Jubilee-like bracelet. Okay, which is not solid link because I can feel the weight is not solid link. Okay. So what you think about this? I think it's very good looking. And now because it's Sunday, so the day becomes red colored. Okay. And this watch I think is a very good dressy watch. Okay. It has a water resistance of 30mm, and also there are some wordings on the dial. Right. Let's take a close look at it. What does it say? Take a look. Keep up with global fashion. I think this is pretty useless. Okay. Actually, they can eliminate this useless message. Okay. I don't know. That's not a cool message, and at the same time does not tell anything about the specification. Actually, they can just say 30-meter water resistant, quartz, whatever. Okay. And this watch is special because I don't actually reveal Middle East wording. Okay, Middle East wording, Middle East number. Okay, around the dial, the watch. Okay, so this one is the first time to reveal this type of watches, which is special. Okay, and this watch is made of steel, and this comes less than $10. So it's very low in cost. Okay, if you want a day and you don't want to pay okay, tens of thousands of $US to get a day, and you don't mind it is a quartz, I think this is a good one. And for the back, okay, you can see the back. Okay, it's a solid back, just like some very low price Chinese products. Okay, similar. And here you can see the logo of the company, Paul Degas. It's a shield logo. Okay, the logo is pretty cool in my opinion. And yeah, and also this dial is a green dial with the laser. Okay, what can we call it? Sun ray. That's a sun ray dial. Okay, sun ray dial. It's like CD. Okay, compact disc. In the past, some people know it. Okay, compact disc. Okay, in Hong Kong, sometimes we call it the compact disc dial. Okay, CD dial. And most of the time for the YouTubers, they say this is a sun ray dial. Okay, whatever. I just want to tell it is a beautiful dial. Okay, for green color. Okay, so the case is oyster shaped, but of course it does not comes with the oyster water resistance ability. This one is just a cheap one. Okay, we see water resistance is must be even worse than the Pagani design or steel dive. Okay, because the price already showed that it is a very elementary and very dressy watch. Don't take it for sports. For any sports, I don't recommend. Even outside there is raining, please don't take this watch with you, or otherwise it will get damaged. It will be malfunction. Okay, we don't want to see that. Okay, so this is a dressy watch, dress little watch. Okay, around 39 millimeter, thickness less than 11 mm. So what do you think about it? One more information to tell is, how's the strap like? Okay, it's around, let me measure that. It's around 20 millimeter for the strap. Okay, yeah, so has a very classic fluted bezel. Okay, like a teeth. Okay, like a sharp teeth. Okay, this geometry combination is a very classic. Okay, just strongly remind you of the Rolex Day-Day, which is 1,000 times more expensive than this one. Okay, really, not joking, no joke. 1,000 times more expensive than this one. But if you just want the vibe, okay, you just want the feeling, you are not liking the logo, okay, or you don't have to wear it every day. If you wear it every day, really recommend you to buy the original one. That's from the Rolex, okay, from the second hand or from the AD. But yeah, most of the time you can't get from the AD because it's like crazy. People want the Rolex watches like crazy. Okay, but if you are not a watch snob and you don't need all those logo thing or whatever, you just want to get a taste of the fluted bezel, Middle East wordings, numbers, and beautiful compact disc dial, sunray dial, why not take a try of this one? Okay, there's a economic downturn globally. Okay, everyone is being afraid of replaced by AI. Everyone is being afraid of being sacked off, jobless. Okay, everyone is being afraid of having no money. So why are you still spending a lot of money on those luxury products? This one can actually help you. May help you to solve the problem. Okay, to get a taste of this classic looking watch. Okay, so that's almost that. Okay, I think I told everything I know about this watch to you. Okay, so I'm out. Okay, thank you for watching.
That's almost the end of today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification alarm to get updated watch reviews. Thanks for watching and your support. See you in my next videos. Bye.